to my channel. So today I am going to be doing a first impression on a product that was sent to me for free to give my honest opinion. They did not pay me to do this review. I figured I'd just come on here and give you my thought on this product. This product is fairly new to the market, and there is no reviews that I've seen on YouTube, so I figured I would come on here and make a video on it. The product that was sent to me was from Influenster. I talked about this in one of my last videos and how to get products for free from them. But the product that I will be reviewing today is by Perriconemd. And I will take it out of the box. And when you get the product, it comes in a box like this. And then you get the product. And they actually sent me the full product, which I've seen it's selling at Ulta right now for $159. So this product here will be the highest skincare product that I own. So about this product, it says that it is a vitamin C ester with CCC plus FERULIC brightening complex 20% serum. It comes with a little card like this, so I could tell you. It is so brilliant you won't believe your skin. Introducing Perriconemd's most potent and powerful vitamin C technology yet. We supercharged the formula with our proprietary vitamin C ester and 2 additional forms of vitamin C for a highest concentration ever of 20%. Paired with vitamin E and ferulic acid to visibly brighten, smooth, and minimize discoloration and dark spots over time. Radiant, unbelievably bright look. So applying this product, it says you have to clean your face, which I already did prior to making this video. And then you will massage this product onto your face and neck using a gentle upward motion. Wait till it's fully absorbed and then follow up with your moisturizer, and you can use it in the morning and evening. And I will have a list of all the ingredients right here or down below. And yeah, so let's open up the package. So it comes with a pump, and then it comes in a bottle like this, and it is a nice glass bottle. And then it has the instructions again. Let's do a smell test. You can definitely smell the oranges and kind of like grapefruit in here. And it's got like kind of like a like a medical smell to it, but it looks like that. It's a white cream. It's kind of thick. So before I apply this product, I just want to talk a little bit about my skin. I do have fine lines and wrinkles. The wrinkles I have are on my forehead right here, and then I have one a little bit right here, but this is my deepest wrinkle I have. And then I have especially the smile lines. And then for my dark spots, as you can see, I have from here, the discoloration. This was from previous acne that I've had, and then from being in the sun. So I have here. But I've been trying to use other products from The Ordinary, which I want to do a video on that. I keep forgetting. But these used to be really, really dark, and it's almost completely faded. So, but yeah, and then I do have combination skin, oily T-zone, and then dry everywhere else. But that's about it. So let's get into the product. So I'm gonna open it up. And then I'm gonna use the pump and put it in. And it does have like a little cap, so when you're done using it, it won't, you know, squirt out any product. So you do pop that off. And then, like I said, I just washed my face, so there's nothing on it. And yeah, so let's see the product. Okay, and it looks like that. It's a little bit thick and runny at the same time. Yeah, it's all right to smell. It smells a little medical-ish, but all right, so I'm gonna put it here. It's going on very nicely. It kind of feels like water. It's just like soaking right into the skin, which is nice. And while it's giving it a nice glow as well, not greasy whatsoever, and it is, wow, it's like really sinking into the skin. Like it's not sticky or anything. But let's do my cheeks, because this is, like I said, where I have the discoloration. Let me do a little bit more. So probably 2 pumps. And then I'll put it here. Yeah, it sinks, it like dries into the skin really, really fast. It's got a strong orange smell. But it gives you a nice glow to the skin. Like before I applied this product, my skin was so dull, and now it's like, wow, it's nice. And then I'm gonna go in with my moisturizer, which I have a sample size. This is like my favorite moisturizer, and it's the Clinique Moisture Surge 72 Hour. And I'm just gonna put this on top. This is how my skin is looking. And obviously it's not gonna work right away. So this is just my first impression. I like how it went on, but I don't know if this product is worth the $160, and that's not even with tax. Like I said, I've used brightening serums from Derma E and The Ordinary, and it is like not even half the cost. It's from like Derma E, it's about $18, and then The Ordinary is about $8. So, but yeah, and this is my first time ever using perriconemd, so I might do a follow-up on this video to let you know if it works. But right now, I like how it did give me the glow to my skin. Yeah, so this is how my skin is looking after like 30 minutes of applying the product. my skin is very, very, it's not like greasy at all. It's just very like youthful and glowy. I'm assuming it's from the vitamin C, but look at it. It's like I don't even have a highlighter on. Look how shiny my face is. It's really nice. But yeah, you could see my dark spots a little bit darker. But I wanted to tell you the key ingredients in this product as well and what they do. It's got the vitamin C ester. It's a supercharged brightening and smoothing. It's more potent and highly stable and less abrasive form of antioxidant-rich vitamin C. Vitamin C ester gives the appearance of collagen, rich by visibly smoothing, brightening, and minimizing discoloration over time. Unlike traditional vitamin C ester is a fat, soluble, and easily absorbable for maximum antioxidant benefits, which is true, because look at my skin. Just gotta get rid of those dark spots. And then the ferulic acid is a free radical skin protection. It's a plant-based super antioxidant that promotes the look of collagen-rich and reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and dark spots by supporting the skin and fighting against free radical damage. Ferulic acid is also known to stabilize vitamin C and E to enhance their properties for maximum skin benefits. So it also helps with wrinkles, which, like I said, I have the one right here. I just wish it would, disappear already. And then these right here I have, but other than that, I don't have any more. And then vitamin E is super skin nourishment, a hydrating, reparative antioxidant found in almonds and avocados, visibly minimizes scars and discoloration for even-looking skin over time. A unique chemical structure enables vitamin E to disperse within skin surface for visible, long-term, dramatic results. Now I kind of realized why it's $160, because look at the 3 major ingredients that are in this product. So it kind of makes sense. And you're also getting 2 fluid ounces in here. So it's pretty good. So, but like I said, I might do, I'm going to use this product every day, because you can use this every day, morning and evening. And I'm going to see, maybe in a couple weeks, I'll do a follow-up on this to see, if it really works. But yeah, so I just wanted to come back on here and let you know. So I hope you have an amazing day or night or wherever you are. And I will see you soon. Bye.